Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Software Inc. This episode, we got a couple major things I plan on doing, but one thing you may have noticed on your screen is we have a new office building, and the new building is going to be specifically intended for our games division. But, I went and built the entire building, did this entire commentary, and then realized I never hit record. So, for this one, we're not going to have any time lapse of the building, but I will give you a little show around. So as you can see, this is the building in all its glory. Yes, yes. Let me go down a couple floors. I can show you guys a bit better. So on the first floor, it's a little bit dirty. We'll need to hire some janitors, but have a little waiting room where a security guard will be, and then the elevators, some restrooms, and then this area right here, I'm leaving it. Let me turn that back on. I'm leaving it blank, so this will be a room for future expansion as well as like the leader's office. And then we can go up or downstairs. We'll go downstairs for now. There's not much in the basement, just mainly somewhere for the boiler to be, but in the future we might end up putting some servers or perhaps something else down here. But if we go up a floor, we got our first couple offices that are being used. So these two sides are both going to be used for our development team. So this is where our programmers and artists will work. Right now we only have one team, but sometime in the next couple episodes I think we might add a second development team. That way we can have multiple games going at once. And then on the other side of the office we have what is kind of like a lounge area. So it has a couple seats, a little break area, and then they can come out here on the balcony and get a nice view of the pond, I guess. But yep, and then also there's a office that's currently not being used, but in the future if we want to add another leader or project manager or someone like that, we can throw them in there. And on the very top floor we got some more offices, so these will be for our designers. Got 4 desks in here, then 2 private offices, as well as another lounge area. We also have a meeting area as well. And yeah, that's the building. It took quite a while, so I'm kind of sad that I wasn't able to record it, but it's just what we do. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started doing some stuff. So as you can see, we're close to releasing our Cornhole 1992, but one thing I noticed is I don't think we have anyone qualified. Yeah, 3 out of 3 employees are unqualified for active tasks, so we need a level 2 programmer. And while we have a design team assigned on it that I think has a level 2 systems programmer, it doesn't seem like they're really working on it. So I'm going to quickly hire another hire another employee for our games, and we'll get them specialized systems. So secondary, we'll make it artists. Systems is what we're prioritizing. Compatibility. As you can see, I've recolor coded all our teams and also created our second team, even though we have no one on it. But I decided to color code it all just because we have so many teams at this point that it's kind of getting hard to remember to find each one. So we'll take that off. We'll get modest. I think that looks good. Okay, we'll click begin looking. So this person has 2 stars. It would be nice if we could get one with like 3. So I like this guy a lot. Yeah, we'll do this guy since he has 3 stars. Hire him. Let's quickly assign him to role. Change roles. Make him programmer, secondary artist. There we go. Let's get him a desk real quick. Okay. just duplicate one of these computers. Okay, we'll click assign. I think that was him. I think I already assigned all these other computers, yeah. So I went ahead and already assigned all the rooms and computers just because I figured you guys wouldn't want to watch me do that. But yeah, so now hopefully tomorrow they should come in and get this out the door. We'll go ahead and up this priority a ton, that way they get on it right away. One thing it looks like is our G-Unit Base 5 is ready to get pushed into beta, which is nice. Do we have any marketing going for it? Yeah. Before we do anything, I want to check, have we put out a press build? Yeah, I think so. So we'll go ahead and promote this, put out another press build. Bam. And then I don't think we started printing on our stuff. No, we haven't. So yeah, it has everything it needs. We'll just print, I'll say 30,000. We can always increase it later. We can bump these down. I don't think we're going to be selling that much in the future. But, the same here. We also need to start printing our controllers. So I'll do that in a second. I don't know if the manufacturing line is set up for it yet, but here's our controller print. Yeah, okay. Let me click maximum 30,000. And what do we need? A rumbler unit. That should be fairly easy. So I think this is our console. So let me just check. Was it one rumbler unit needed? Yes, so 1 and 1. So this shouldn't be too bad to make. What I can do is like move one of these to the side. Let me actually do this. Duplicate one of these. Output rumble unit. I think it should work now. Let me go back to our menu. Yep, that all looks good. So should start printing now. See if stuff comes out. Can go ahead and get this priority back up and then lower this down. Yep, so stuff is coming out, which is nice. What else? Oh, one thing I'm thinking about, as I mentioned earlier, we probably need to get some more staff. Like, we have a janitor here now, but obviously all our buildings are looking a little dirty, so we'll hire another janitor. We'll also hire a security guard for this place, so let's do that right now. We'll start with the security. Actually, before we do anything, let's create a building group for this. Select entire building. We'll add selected rooms. Did I do anything? A new building group. Gaming. We'll say gaming building. Okay. And then we'll hire a wrong menu. We'll hire the security. So let's do that. Let me just sort by type. So we'll click my blind, yep. 1, 2, 3. We'll get them all assigned to our new building. Gaming, there we go. Get this guy working that time. Get him working then. Bam. And we'll hire another cleaning person. Let's see, what hours do we have him working? 10, 14. Could probably use another around the current time. Huh. Go. We'll hit that. I think that's good. Okay, and also we'll hire one more IT and one more maintenance just because we're growing to a point where we could probably use some more. So now we'll get him coming in later, and then we'll have someone come in the morning. We'll also do the same for maintenance. So right now it's coming in really early. Not that early. I think that should be good. And everything else looks fine, I think. Okay. How is this going? Let's see, is there... So, if you look at our project management for this, it's going well. Our project manager has all the action points on this one, so we might start doing project management for another one of our products, just because I think our project manager can handle multiple. So let's see, what do we want to do? We'll just see what's like the oldest one that we haven't released in a while. Probably our audio tool. Let's see, 89. Yeah, we haven't released one in a while, so we'll get another operating. What am I saying? Another audio tool started on. Let's do that real quick. We'll say, I guess I gotta specify it. Audio tool. Say this one. We can do that. So put core and audio. Where is audio? StyledCorn. Yeah, I realize he's already working on something. Or is he? I don't know. What did I put him on? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know what he's assigned to. Maybe our Mace Defender, but whatever. It'll be okay. So we'll say it'll be styled audio tool pro 2. Okay. So it already has all the interests it needs, but I like to add something on each time. Let me just go to advanced real quick. We'll remove that for the time being. What do people want? They basically want everything. Okay, that didn't do much. Do amp simulation. So even though we don't need to do that, I like to tack something on each time. And then I think we'll just do that. Just because by the time our thing releases, I'm sure this will be the big thing. Okay, everything else seems fine. Mostly audio, 2D, and a little system. Oh crap, I didn't create the project management for this. Let's go audio. Oops. Audio tool. Leader will be project manager. Sign be core and audio. Not that. Core and audio. We won't have any secondary dev teams. Support will be support. That looks fine. Post marketing, huh? No, this will be marketing as well. Updates will be update teams. SCM server. Flow. Main server. We'll do like 260. That seems fine. I think that all looks fine. So that'll get started on. We'll wait a couple. Wrong one. Let me move this up. Yeah. So we'll give her 2 or 3 months to build up some action points for this, and then we'll start work on that. Actually, I should have waited a couple months, but I kind of forgot about the fact that we have to let them build up. So she's just going to go right away, which is whatever. Because of that, maybe we'll bump it up a slight bit. Hopefully it turns out fine. We'll see. Other than that, let's speed the time back up. How's everything else looking? We got a bunch of stuff being ported, which is nice. How many people... I can't remember whether or not we update it, or whether... if we increased the amount of people on our updates team, which I think we did, so hopefully these ports start getting done a lot faster. Just because there's probably a lot of stuff we need to port to. Also, yeah, we need to make sure to keep marketing this stuff, so we'll send out a press build for that. What does the event calendar look like? So we have our cornhole game coming out in a couple months. Hopefully we get this last bit of code done. We haven't really increased on it much. We'll see. What else? Console coming out later this year. If we have any competition, we do. We have 2. Damn. We have 2 consoles coming out. Well, that's gonna be nice. Uh, not, yeah, so keep an eye on that. How's our stuff? We can end this marketing campaign. Style 2D. Keep doing that. Okay. I'm just gonna head and click promote on this just because I don't feel like waiting. We need to start working on ironing out some bugs, so we'll do that. Also, have we marketed anything for this recently? Probably not, so let's get a press build out on that. Sweet. Looks like all our stuff's getting solid amount of followers. Let's see if there's anyone worth training. Margaret Black. Sport, I don't care. Artist, maybe. Development. Increase for audio. We'll give him a little boost in 3D. Why not? About this dude. Since we're bad working on audio tools, give them a boost there. I think that should be good enough now. What team? Also do audio. Audio. Give them a boost in 2D. And updates. We'll do system. Oh, nice amount of tax saved. It's always nice. Cornell's going back up in followers, which is cool. I'm gonna skip it up a bit, and then I'll get back to you guys. Welcome back. As you can see, we have gotten nominated for an award. So let's go ahead and check out which one it was. Wow. Not the award I was expecting, but hey, I'll take it. Where are we gonna put this thing at? Suppose turn accumulation. No. Where to put it? Maybe in one of our. Maybe in our founder's office. Yeah, we'll do that. Get rid of that, and then words. We'll slap that in there. Bam, looking nice. Just to give you guys a little update, we're almost to the point where we can release our what is it called? Cornhole. Go ahead and get a press build for it, so it releases out tomorrow. I think I have our dev team on crunch. Yep, so hopefully we can hit 300 bugs before it releases. That would be nice. Let's go ahead and start printing to print. Oh, wrong one. Print, and then we'll say like max. Do like max 20,000. That should probably be fine. How is our hardware looking? Fine. Okay. So I'll pause that again. We also start out some ports so we can get that updated. This 2D Editor Pro update has been taking forever. I've had it like prioritized 10 out, and speaking of, it finally finishes. So finally got an update out for that. Is there anything else that needs some bugs ironed out? Alright, speed that back up. We'll do that. Just update the systems, just because it seems like our 2D takes forever to update. So I'll get started. Which will look nice. And let's go ahead and get this game released. It'll be fine. I think there's one other thing I want to do, but I'm trying to remember what it was. Oh no. Cannot remember. We might need to hire some more marketing soon, just because we have quite a lot of marketing tasks going on, but we'll survive for now. Once we get these consoles released, then we'll probably do that. I say, speaking of marketing, we'll release some marketing on these just because we're losing followers. So it doesn't give us much boost in followers, but it's something, so it's all nice. Oh, almost to the end of the day, and I forgot. Did our team like not come in and work on anything? It is June, right? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe, I guess our team probably went on vacation. No, well, that's a shame. But let's go ahead and release our cornhole game. Yeah, we'll click yes. Probably gonna say something about bugs. Better than I was expecting. Marketing campaign. Do like 12,000. There we go. Finish on that. Pull this. Where do we keep marketing task at? I forget. Here, so put that there, and then let's go ahead and get some ports started. So we're cornhole port. We'll get our games team to help out here. We want to get it connected to that, but let's first get FrameStop 2, and we won't port it to any consoles just because they're our competition. Yeah, port there, and then after that we'll port it to our own console. We'll also get an update out for this. Let's go ahead and sign up team. Choose the we'll make it 2D editor. Okay. Update started on that as well. So how much money did we make? Where is it? Where did I slip that? 18,000? Yeah. Hopefully it'll boost up once I get stuff ported. Oh, fun. Hopefully they, yep, okay. Nice, nice. I'm gonna quickly skip ahead just to see how much this cornhole actually ends up making, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see, I sped it up a couple days, and our cornhole has started making some money. We just finished porting it to a couple things, so it should start making even more money over the next couple days. Then our 2D Editor Pro Plus has also been doing pretty good. It's been averaging about anywhere from 1 million to 2 million each day, so that's been nice. Been making a lot of profit the last couple days. But yeah, I feel like this is probably a good place to end it. We got a lot of good stuff coming up. So our console, good chance we'll be releasing that next episode, which will be exciting. And maybe we'll create a new teams, or maybe develop a new software. So a lot of exciting stuff coming up. But other than that, thank you guys for joining me for another episode of Software Inc. And I will see you next episode.